National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:43 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from Essex State Park to Quantico to 6 nautical miles southwest of Aquia Creek, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing the Tobacco River, Leesylvania State Park, Quantico, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Nepas Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Wicomico River, Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Pope's Creek, Brent Point, and Smallwood State Park. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:29 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southwest of Chesapeake Beach to 7 nautical miles north of Wicomico River to near Colonial Beach, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, Breton Bay, Cooper Island Light, Southwest Middle Grounds, Cobble Creek, Colton's Point, Coles Point, St. George Island, Point No Point. Richland Point Buoy, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, St. Clements Bay, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Deep Hole, Solomon's Island, Cobb Island and Town Creek.